Greetings of the day. Good morning, children. Welcome back to your geography class. Let's continue lesson number 13, a globe, latitudes and longitudes. Today, we are going to study in detail about the important lines of latitudes. Besides the equator, the North Pole and the South Pole, there are four important parallels of latitude. They are Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle. Let's see them one by one. The first important latitude is the Tropic of Cancer. The Tropic of Cancer is an imaginary line at an angle of 23.5 degrees north from the equator that passes through the middle of India. It passes through the 17 countries, India being one of them. The Tropic of Cancer passes through 8 states of India, that are Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. Another important line is the Tropic of Capricorn. The Tropic of Capricorn is an important parallel of latitude in the southern hemisphere. Tropic of Cancer is located at an angular distance of 23.5 from the equator. Arctic Circle. Arctic Circle is one of the two polar circles and the most northerly of the 5 major circles of latitude. It lies at an angular distance of 66.5 degrees north of the equator. Although its position is not fixed due to the tilt of the earth. Next one is Antarctic Circle. The Antarctic Circle lies at the angular distance of 66.5 degrees south of the equator. Now we'll see the importance of latitudes. Latitudes are important because they help us to determine location of places and their relative distances. They help us to demarcate the earth into heat zones based on similar temperature conditions between the latitudes. We can determine the general temperature and climate of a place with the help of latitudes. It helps us to form an idea about the vegetation and wildlife of a place.